Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to perform auto sum for entire row or entire column. For this, what I have is a list of sales details. These are the list of sales people who have worked, and for quarter one, their sales, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. This is for the entire row is for the person individually who has contributed for the sales, and entire column is for the company's overall sales. So let us see how we are going to use the auto sum. So for this, what we have to do is go to the cell where you wanted to have the addition, go to home, go to this option, that is auto sum, and if you see, it will select all the list of rows, and if you give enter, and you will be able to see the output here. Similarly, you can use again AutoSum and you will get the output. Say suppose you have a blank cell in any one of these columns. Now your AutoSum will not work. It will calculate or select only the last cell or the cell after the blank cell. What we can do is manually we can select this particular range of cells, then you will be able to perform the auto sum for these conditions. Click on enter. And there is also a shortcut key to perform this auto sum. If you go here, you'll be able to see that is Alt plus is equal to. So I'm going to try the shortcut key here now. Alt plus enter, and you'll be able to see the output here or the numbers. Similarly, you can do this for all these particular row as well. Is equal to auto sum, and you'll get the output. Enter. Again auto sum, enter. We need to select the cells. It's taking the complete column. We are actually calculating it for the row, and then click on enter. So this is how we will be able to calculate the auto sum for a particular row or particular column. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this.